Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're checking out the Antec Atom V550 gaming power supply, which I bought used from Gameloot for just 1,600 rupees. That's 400 rupees cheaper than the new one that sells for 2,000 rupees. Let's dive into the unboxing and find out if it's a good deal. The PSU came in a simple box with bubble wrap for protection. The packaging was basic, but sufficient to keep the product safe during transit. However, I noticed there's no power cable included, so you'll need to use an existing one or purchase it separately. The Antec Atom V550, known for its reliability in the budget category. This model even comes with two 8-pin PCIe connectors, which is great for powering GPUs. That's not something you typically see at this price point, making it an attractive choice for gamers and budget PC builders. Now, let's talk about performance. After testing it with my system, the PSU worked flawlessly. It powered up without any hiccups, the fan runs quietly, and there were no unusual noises. Overall, it delivers stable power for gaming and editing tasks. This PSU is highly rated for being reliable and affordable. It feels premium and provides excellent performance for both gaming and heavy workloads. However, might not be the best for high-end setups. So, what's my verdict? For 1,600 rupees, this used Antec Atom V550 is a fantastic deal. It's well built, comes with dual 8-pin connectors for GPUs, and delivers reliable performance. The missing power cable is a small inconvenience, but considering the price and features, it's still a great value for budget-conscious gamers or PC builders. If you're on a tight budget, I definitely recommend giving this PSU a try.